Departure, hello, Gulfstream 888, Foxtrot Bravo's with you, 1,500.
For 888 Foxtrot Bravo, nearest departure radar contact.
X743 Heavy, descend to maintain 3,000 and speed 180. 2,000 speed 180. Approach Bridge 3455 left. Intercept.
Bravo near.
New York 1743 Heavy to intercept low.
We're with you, 3408. We hadn't heard anything in a minute.
Heavy United 1560. New York FedEx 743 Heavy.
Approach Brickyard 3408.
New York Gulfstream 8 Foxtrot Bravo. New York Gulfstream 888 Foxtrot Bravo.
Crypto 518, we lost your release. There's frequency issues. Taxi down runway 24. Turn right to Alpha.
3408, we're up with you. How do you copy? Approach 3408. 360 heading, Brickyard 3408.
I'm not sure if you got it. 3704 is 88, yeah.
Approach Brickyard 3455. Approach United 1043.
Tower United 1560.
Was United 1560?
Yeah, we have no answer on approach, so I don't. It seems like he's not talking to anyone.
Yeah, they said that they lost their frequencies, so just stand by one.
Stay with you, or should we switch back over?
Switch back over. I'm going to let them know that you're reaching out to me. Let me stand by one.
All right.
Approach United 1043.
Center United 2192. Well, we're on a heading at 5,000 feet, trying to get on 2015, no be answering. Yep.
FedEx 743 Heavy with you on 20.4.
FedEx 743 Heavy, New York departure, altimeter 2998.
2998, we're on a 150 heading. What do you want us to do now?
FedEx 743 Heavy, turn left heading 360.
Left 360, FedEx 743 Heavy.
FedEx 743 Heavy, climb and maintain 5,000.
5,000, FedEx 743 Heavy.
I just had about 5 sectors in my ear all at once, and they all have radio failure, and they're turning every plane that's in the sky, so I have no idea.
I just want to check, were you previously cleared for the approach by approach before they lost all their frequencies?
Affirm.
Okay, thank you. Just wanted to make sure.
United 1560, you still with me?
United 1043 New York. Yeah, United 1043, go ahead. Okay, got you loud and clear, thank you. We just lost all frequencies and communications here. United 1043, turn right heading 090. 090, United 1043. Hey, 1560 New York, how do you hear? Loud and clear. Hey, 1560, turn right heading 200, 200 heading.
200 heading, 1560. What kind of speed?
Whatever you want.
2192 at 5,000, just giving a left turn heading 280 from 2565.
Got you now, United 2192, right turn heading 090, 90 heading United 2192.
Thank you very much. The right turn heading 090, United 2192.
South 403 Heavy, we got stopped on departures. It might be a little bit short of whiskey and stand by. I'll call you when we're ready.
FedEx 743 Heavy, climb and maintain 6,000.
6,000, FedEx 743 Heavy.
Brickyard 5838, you hear New York just fine? Yeah, we hear you fine, Brickyard 5838. We just hit a pretty good wake turn. You said you hit wake? Yes, sir. Okay, everything okay? Everything's fine now. We're joining the load. Thank you. And you're cleared ILS 22, call the tower 18-7.
Cleared for the ILS 22, joining over to tower, Brickyard 5838, good night.
Everybody's waiting for departure. We've been stopped on departures. Unknown delay. I don't know how long it's going to be. I'll call you back when I get an update.
FedEx 743 Heavy, and actually speed your discretion.
Speed our discretion, FedEx 743 Heavy.
Okay, besides, listen up everybody real careful, anybody besides United 1560, 1043, or 2192, is there anybody else that can hear me on this frequency? Yeah, 1043, right turn heading 200, just going to maintain 4,000.
200 down to 4,000, yeah, 1043.
Yeah, 2192, turn right heading 150. 2192, turn right heading 150.
Right turn heading 150, United 2192. Still cutting out over there.
Hey, you got a stuck mic, you say you're hearing?
Your last transmission cut out toward the end, but I responded. Here we go, thank you.
Good. United 1043, you can go direct to Zico to join up.
Zico to join United 1043.
Hey, 1560 is now 5 from Zico, Zico at 3, you're cleared ILS 22 left.
Alright, cleared ILS 22 left by Zico at 3, United 1560.
Correction, FedEx 743 Heavy, turn right heading 130.
Right turn 130, FedEx 743 Heavy.
United 1043 is now 7 from Zico, across the Zico at 3000, you're cleared for the ILS 22 left.
Zico 3000, clear for the ILS 22 left, United 1043.
Okay, 1560, 180 or greater on the speed to Buzz Tower 183.
180 or greater to Buzz, 183, United 1560.
Tower United 1560, 1 mile from Zico on the ILS, 22 left.
1560 New York Tower, 270 at 7, runway 22 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 22 left, United 1560.
Yeah, 1043. What was your last frequency you were on?
We were on 2015. That was the one that was down for about 5 minutes.
But it's back now?
It was, affirmative.
Thank you. How things sound over there? Over there, how things sound? Like things are getting back to normal?
Yeah, back to normal. Yeah, sounds like it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everybody waiting for departure, still waiting on the release. It's frequency issues at the Tracon and the center now. We'll keep you updated accordingly.